Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to share phone screen and control it. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can share your phone screen, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now I want to share this screen on a different phone, so I'm going to share this phone screen on a different phone. So all you need to do is to open your Play Store and then install this application. Now once you open your Play Store, then you search this application on your phone, so just search for TeamViewer. Now once you search for TeamViewer, you can see TeamViewer remote control. Don't install this on this device, so you can see TeamViewer remote control. In this case, just scroll down and then download this one. You can see TeamViewer quick support. Download this one, and once you have downloaded this TeamViewer quick support, just open it. If you already having it but not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So in this case, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your TeamViewer quick support application. So just open it so you can see it over here. And now once you open this, just click on agree and continue. So you just scroll down, you can see you can share it on another device, you can share your screen on a different device. Then you click on done. Now once you click on done, you can see it is asking you to go to settings. You have to allow some permissions over here, so just allow this permission. So just wait as it is loading for you to allow your permissions over here. So just wait for a while, and you can see over here, just allow the permission of this application, so you can see display over other apps. So just look for this quick support application over here. So you can see the application, just look at it and then not allowed. You can see you have to allow this display over other apps. Please, you need to make sure you allow this permission. It is very important. So you need to make sure you allow display over other apps. Now once you are done, just go back and you can see over here activating TeamViewer. So you can see how to connect to other device. Now you can see your ID over here. So this ID is very important. You can see this ID over here. It is very important. So just keep this ID over here. Now this is the phone that I want to share its screen on the different device. So just open that different device, and once you open that different device, just open your Play Store. So just open your Play Store, and then now you have to download this TeamViewer. But before you download the TeamViewer on this different device, you have to download this application, TeamViewer Universal Add-on, on the first phone that you want to share its screen. So you can see over here, just install this on the first phone that you want to share its screen. So you can see TeamViewer Universal Add-on, but don't use it. We are not going to use it, but you have to install it for it to work at the background. So now you open the different phone, and then you now download the TeamViewer remote control over here. Now once you open this application, just wait as it is loading. So just click on continue, and you can see get started. Now you can see over here control remote device, and you can see over here partner ID. Now in this case, all you need to do is to enter the ID over here. You can just share the ID on the first device. So you can just share the ID over here. You can just enter this ID, so you can see your ID. Just share your ID, and by entering the ID on this, on the phone that you want to control its screen, or you want to share its screen, that's all. So the concept, I hope you guys have understood the concept. On the first phone, you install two applications. The first one is TeamViewer quick support, and then you install TeamViewer quick add-on, and then you open the other phone, and then you install the TeamViewer itself, and that's it. So all you need to do is to use this code, and then you enter it over here. So you can see over here control remote device. So all you need to do is to enter this code over here, and by entering this code you can control the screen remotely. So this is very, very simple. So with this you can share your phone screen and then control it. So this is so amazing. All you need to do is to enter this over here. All you need to do is to enter this ID over here. So you can see control remote device. So just enter the ID over here, and then once you have entered the ID, just click on remote control, and by entering or by clicking on remote control, you can remove you can remotely control the screen, and this is so amazing. So with this you can share your phone screen on different devices and then control it yourself. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video